Hello and thank you for joining me for this video again. And today I would like to talk with you about a new feature that was released to AI Builder using Power Platform and Power Automate. And this feature called Generate Document. This is a feature that in preview, and let's see how we can use it. So just a quick recap, I'm using Power Automate, and over here in Power Automate I can create my own prompt. Instead of using the templates that Microsoft provide us, we can build my own prompt. So I created a prompt that extracts invoices. Using this custom prompt, I'm telling the engine that I'm acting as an invoice system, and here I have the variable when I upload the documents, the invoices that I want to extract, and I'm asking the document to the builder to extract the invoice ID, supplier name, address, invoice date, etc. This kind of information. Not related to this feature, but just a quick things to show you that, as you can see, we can using in the model, the new model 4.1, and we can also use other models like 4.1 mini and the Reasoning O3, and even recently the GPT-5. If you are using Azure AI Foundry, you can publish your models over there and to bring them here to the Power Automate. Now let's see what we can do. So I have here the variable that getting the invoice. I'm clicking on that and upload an example for invoice. So if I will upload this kind of invoice, this is the information. Let's see the invoice itself. As you can see, this is the invoice ID and we have the date. The supplier is IT dev, etc. Now, when I'm going to test it, as you can see, the output will be JSON, and this is very helpful that I don't need the later in the flow to parse JSON. It's already parsed and I have all the information that I want to use. And as you can see, I can use the invoice ID, the supplier name, address, and all the other information that I asked the file, the AI builder to extract from it. Now we have also a new feature that we will be able to pull this information to a Word document, and we will not need to use any other connectors, premium connectors, etc. So I have here the document preview, and I have the document setting, and here I need to upload the document layouts that I want to use. So let's see, I created already the documents layout. As you can see, I have here the header and the footer, and I have here the fields that I want to bring to the document. Please make sure that each field that you want to extract and bring inside the document should be in double brackets. I can also add a label before that, okay, before this placeholder, like invoice ID, and also the supplier name, and so on and so on. Let's add also the date and the total. Okay, so we have this kind of document, and this is the placeholder where the information will pull in from the AI builder. So now let's go again here to Power Automate and let's upload the document layout. So we will upload it, and as you can see, it's identified the four fields: the ID, supplier name, invoice date, and the total amount. Please make sure that in the layouts that you are creating, those name placeholders should be without any space. Okay, this is very important. And now let's test it again. The same invoice that we tested before now should be pulled inside the document. So as you can see, the invoice ID was identified like that, and the supplier name, the date, and the amount. And I even can download the document from here. So let's download it and see what we see here. So as you can see, this is the invoice ID, supplier name, the date, and the total amount. This is very useful new way to create documents with the information that pulled from the AI builder. You have all the information here on this link. Here you can see how you should write the instruction, and what I said regarding the double brackets to identify the relevant fields that you want to use with. So you have all the information over here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much.